Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Nissan Sentra's ECU. First, a common method involves disconnecting the negative battery terminal. You'll want to leave it disconnected for at least 24 hours. This completely clears the ECU's learned memory. After reconnecting, drive your Sentra normally so the ECU can relearn its optimal settings for your driving style. This is a straightforward, effective approach. Another effective way to reset your ECU involves the accelerator pedal. Start by turning your ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine. Then, turn it off and wait for 10 seconds. You'll need to repeat this on-off cycle 3 times in a row. This sequence helps to clear certain engine codes and reset some of the ECU's adaptive values, preparing it for fresh data. For a more direct approach, an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner can be very useful. Simply plug the scanner into your Sentra's diagnostic port, usually located under the dashboard. Once connected, navigate through the scanner's menu to find the Clear Codes or Reset ECU option. Confirm your selection, and the scanner will erase all stored fault codes and reset the ECU's memory, providing a clean slate. After performing any ECU reset, it's crucial to allow your Sentra to relearn. Drive your vehicle normally for approximately 50 to 100 miles. During this period, the ECU will adapt to your specific driving style and current conditions, optimizing fuel efficiency and performance. Pay attention to how your car feels, ensuring everything is running smoothly after the reset process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.